Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to find out the square root of 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit numbers in a super simple method that is called as Vedic method. So this method will help you to do the calculations in neat, that is final calculations, which will be wasting a lot of time. You can save your time in neat or mains, whatever it may be, by using these Vedic methods, and this is applicable for perfect squares. In the next class, I will discuss how to apply these Vedic methods for imperfect squares also. It's a very simple method. You can learn within 5 minutes. That's very simple here. So if you want to find out the square root of this 729, what are you going to do? First, you have to write squares between 2 to 11 aside so that you can compare what is the correct answer. So if you observe here, make a pair of last numbers. Last two numbers should be separated. Here also you have to separate the last two numbers, and you just see the 9 number is a square of either it is 3 or it is 7. So 9 is present, even it is a square of 3, and for 7 square also it is 49. So last number is 9 or 49. So you have to select either your answer can be 3 or your answer can be 7 also. So we didn't decide still now. So these two are the possibility of the numbers which can be written here. Now if you select 7 here, this 7 is coming in between it is coming in between 4 and 9. So it can be 2 or 3, but as 7 is coming between 4 and 9, you have to always select the lesser number, that is 2 you have to select. So you have written 7 here, but till we have to decide either your next number is either 3 or 7. For that you need to do very simple thing here. You have taken 2 here, okay? So you have to multiply this 2 with a higher number, that is 2, 3, 6. So 6, if you consider, this 6 is lesser than 7 or 7 is greater than 6. So your last number is going to be 27 over here, okay? So if you get this answer, let us go for the 4 digit number. Here also you have to see the first 2 digits that is separated from the total number here. So 24. So what is the last number here? 4. So this 4 can be 2 square, and 4 is present even at 8 also. 8 is 64 here. So last number, therefore you can guess that your last number can be either 2 or it can be 8 also, okay? So possibility is there. One thing is common here, that is these two numbers will be in such a way that their sum will be equal to 10. Like 7 and 3 is also 10, 2 and 8, if you add them, it is going to be 10 here also. Then what are you going to do here? So the simple thing is you have to decide whether which is the number here. Then after that, if you consider this 46, 46 is coming in between 36 and 49. So it is coming here. So as it is coming here, I told you that you have to select the least number. So you have selected 6 here. So you have selected 6. But to decide whether you have to take 2 or 3, 2 or 8, you need to multiply this with a higher number. That is 6 sevens 42. So 42 is least. That means this number is greater than 42. As it is greater than 42, the next number is going to be 8 here. Okay. So 68 is the correct answer for this problem. Okay. So the next come to here. Here we are discussing about 5 digit number. How to find out the square root of this 5 digit number? It's very simple here. So 16, if you observe here, 6 is present at the last. So either it can be 36 or it can be 16 here. So your last number can be either 4 or it can be 6 here. So we didn't decide still. It can be 4 or it can be 6. Then what is this 108? What do you have to do for this 108? See, this 108 is coming in between 10 square, that is 100, and 121. So I told you that as this 108 is coming in between these two numbers, you have to select the least number. That is, you have to select 10. And this 10 should be multiplied with higher number. So this is going to be 110, and 110 is greater than this number, or this number is lesser than 110. So select the least number. So your answer is going to be 104. Is it not easy, dear students? Thank you for listening and all the best. I pray God everyone should get NEET. Thank you very much for cooperating me and good night.